Creating events in Apple Calendar is straightforward. We can simply give the event a name, set a date and time, and decide when it will end. If the event takes place somewhere else other than where you are, you can even factor in travel time so your schedule stays realistic. You can add events directly on the exact date you want, even down to the precise time if you're working in the day or week views. By default, my events are automatically set to last an hour. That's because of a default setting, which you can adjust to suit your needs. For example, you can set the maximum default length to 2 hours. And of course, if you need an event to run longer, you can always extend it manually.